Hi, I'm BreakthroughT1D CEO, Dr. Kowalski. It's been an incredible year for the type 1 diabetes community. Thanks to your support, we've been at the forefront of some amazing research advances. Some of the most exciting progress involves cell therapies, which place insulin-producing islets back in the body. Islets are clusters that include beta cells, the cells in the pancreas that make insulin. Cell therapies are one way we will cure T1D, and we're driving towards that goal faster than ever. We launched Project ACT, our initiative to dramatically speed up the development and delivery of these cures while unlocking access and increasing adoption. This progress will do for cell therapies what our Artificial Pancreas Project did for automated insulin delivery systems: make them a reality faster. In clinical trials of research we've long supported, we continue to see people who receive islet replacement therapies coming off of insulin. But now, one of these treatments, intended for adults with severe hypoglycemia or hypoglycemia unawareness, is entering a pivotal trial. A pivotal trial evaluates a therapy's safety and efficacy. The data from this kind of trial is used to seek regulatory approval. This is the first time this type of scalable cure for people with T1D has advanced this far. In work we've supported along with the T1D Fund, researchers are testing a drug that could protect transplanted islets from rejection with fewer harsh side effects. Disease-modifying therapies prevent, slow, halt, or reverse T1D progression. Like cell therapies, they are part of our cure strategy. In clinical trials, we continue to see encouraging data for Tzield, the first FDA-approved drug to delay onset of T1D. We've also learned several other drugs of this kind can help people with recent onset T1D make insulin for longer. To help us advocate for faster, more accurate clinical development and approval of these drugs, we published research that recommends a new way to gauge how effective they are. In addition, we led efforts to create the first international monitoring guidelines for T1D early detection. These guidelines will raise awareness of early detection among healthcare providers, prompting more of them to recommend it for their patients. The guidelines will also help ensure that families can take advantage of the window of time that people newly diagnosed with T1D can benefit from disease-modifying therapies. While curing T1D is our North Star, we are equally focused on keeping people healthy until we have cures. Technologies we've advanced, CGMs, AID systems, and pumps, are easing the burden of T1D management and leading to improved diabetes outcomes. These devices keep getting smaller and more intuitive. From work we've supported back in the early 2000s, we now have the first implantable CGM that can function for an entire year. We also saw the announcement of a phase 3 clinical trial for a drug that could reduce the amount of insulin you take, as well as continued clinical trials of drugs approved for lowering A1Cs and preventing complications in type 2 diabetes that may offer similar benefits for people with type 1. These are just a few examples of the exciting advances we've seen this year. Learn more about these and others on our website. There's never been a more exciting time in T1D breakthroughs. We have multiple shots on goal for life-changing breakthroughs for people with T1D. And I look forward to the advances we'll see in the coming year. Thank you for all you've done to make this possible. Together, we are BreakthroughT1D. As we drive towards curing type 1 diabetes, we help make everyday life better for the people who face it.